Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a Golf R. First, prioritize safety by finding a large, empty space like a track or private lot. Make sure your Golf R is in top mechanical shape, especially the tires and brakes, as drifting puts extra stress on components. Familiarize yourself with the car's all-wheel drive system and its electronic stability control settings before attempting any maneuvers. To initiate a drift, first completely disable your electronic stability control system. Approach a corner at a moderate, controlled speed, perhaps around 30 to 40 miles per hour, depending on the corner. Then, apply a quick, sharp steering input while simultaneously giving a burst of throttle to shift the car's weight and brake traction in the rear. This technique helps overcome the Golf R's inherent understeer. Once the rear end begins to slide, you'll need to countersteer quickly in the opposite direction of the slide. Use the throttle to control the drift angle. More throttle will widen the drift, while less will tighten it. It's a delicate balance. Remember to keep your eyes focused on where you want the car to go, not directly at the sliding front wheels. Drifting takes significant practice, so start with small, controlled slides and gradually increase your speed and angle as your confidence grows. Experiment in both wet and dry conditions to understand how grip levels affect your technique. For those looking to master advanced drifting, consider seeking professional driving instruction. They can provide personalized feedback and ensure safe progression.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.